Alright, trying to create some content for my page, Crown Road Customs LLC. What I'm doing is a slight mod to the truck. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm putting, follow it up the right way, AVS rain guards. So the AVS rain guards are these are the inseam ones. So what happens is they're going to tag them, line them up in here, and then roll the windows up. Let them sit for 72 hours. The tape's going to adhesive in there, then should be good to go. So should be a simple install. 5 minutes a window. We'll see how it turns out. First thing you want to do is just you want to be able to get some isotope alcohol, and you want to spray and clean the inside of the window sills. Very important, get the best contact. So go ahead and start that process. Also clean the truck up a little bit, try to make it presentable, nice little wash. Hopefully nobody judges me. So let's see. Yep. Get all the way up in there. Just like that. Alright, so let's try the first one. See how it goes. I was doing a little research. It said it wasn't that hard, you know. Don't need alcohol prep pad because I already got my own alcohol. So there goes that. Let's see. Simple. This is in Spanish. Let's not do that. And let's see. English. Ah! Found it. English. Alright. So, let's see. Insert visor into window channel front flange first. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this roll. Let me put this in the back. Alright, well, lesson number one, when you're pulling the wrapper off, make sure that it's not stuck to the adhesive, because it definitely pulled the protective cover on the 3M off. So we're going to do that one second, so because that's a one and done. I don't want to mess that up. So see what happens. Alright, let's get a nice little Yep. Oh, okay. I get it. Got it. Good. Yep. So it's going to sit right in there like that, right? And it's pretty simple. Lines right up. Voila. Alright. So we'll go ahead and take the vinyl, the protective tape off. Alright, that's one. So I'm trying to take my time with it. You want to take your time with it because, like I said, you don't want it to be crooked and it be looking phony, or whatever the case may be. And you know, now what I did see is that they you lift it up here and then fold it over so that when you put it in, you have some room for, you know, room for movement, stuff like that. So